Hi friends. Today we learn new functions, group by and pivot by. These two functions replace pivot table. Let's try two scenarios of pivot table and create same result by using new functions. Create a pivot table to sum the stock by country. Select stock in row and country in columns and sum the amount. You got the summary. Let's create another pivot table. Summary by country. Select country and amount. You got the country summary. Now try pivot by to create the same result. Select stock, select country and amount. Select the function sum, select option 1 for grand totals and sort by first column. Now format numbers, no decimals. All values are matching with the pivot table results. Now, try creating the second pivot table by using group by function. Select country and amount, select the function sum and totals. These totals are matching with the pivot table. Now we remove one entry from the data. Functions updated the results automatically, but pivot table is not refreshed. You have to refresh the pivot table manually to reflect the change. Now all are in sync. If you notice, the header is a default header. You can modify the header by using two other functions. Function vstack to define the header. For two columns, add header text, country and amount. Use another function drop to add header to the result. Now the headers are modified with your header. Format header and totals. Change totals data type to suppress decimals. Here is the formula for your reference how to use new functions. Try these functions and create summary. Achieve results without using pivot table. Let me know your comments.